Hello everyone, I'm Ava. Today we are celebrating a monumental milestone. Skoda is turning 125, and they aren't just blowing out candles, they are kicking up dust. To honor over a century of engineering excellence, Skoda Motorsport has unveiled a special Rally2 package for the legendary Fabia RS. This isn't just a race car, it's a rolling tribute to 125 years of passion, grit, and podium finishes. From the early days of Lauren and Clement to dominating the WRC2 today, Skoda's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Let's dive into the details of this anniversary masterpiece. Blue skies ahead. Take a look at this stunning aesthetic. The 125-year Rally2 package features a bespoke livery that blends modern aerodynamics with nostalgic cues. The iconic Skoda green is accented with gold detailing, symbolizing the golden era of Czech motorsport. Notice the 125 years anniversary crest integrated into the roof scoop and rear wing. Every line on this bodywork is functional, designed to channel air for maximum downforce while looking absolutely iconic on any special stage. It's a design that respects the past while charging into the future. Underneath that vibrant skin lies the heart of a champion. The 1.6-liter turbocharged engine has been optimized with a new mapping system specifically for this edition, improving low-end torque for tighter hairpins. The 5-speed sequential gearbox remains lightning fast, but with reinforced internals for even greater reliability. Skoda has also introduced a revised braking system with better heat dissipation, essential for those grueling downhill mountain passes. This is Rally2 engineering at its absolute peak, refined by decades of dirt, snow, and asphalt testing. Inside, the focus is purely on the driver, but with special anniversary touches. The carbon fiber bucket seats feature 125 years embroidery, and the roll cage is finished in a unique matte bronze. Skoda's heritage is etched into every control. Being in this cockpit means being part of a lineage that started in 1895. It's a raw, mechanical environment that reminds us why Skoda is the weapon of choice for privateers and factory teams alike. They don't just build cars, they build confidence for the world's toughest stages. The Skoda Rally2 125-year package is more than just a celebration. It's a promise that the spirit of competition will never fade. As we look back on 125 years of innovation, it's clear that Skoda's heart beats in the rhythm of a rally engine. I'm Ava, and I want to know, which Skoda rally car is your all-time favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the legends of motorsport. Blue skies ahead. Beyond the specs, we have to appreciate what 125 years truly means. It's a story of survival, transformation, and ultimate triumph. Skoda has faced every challenge the 20th and 21st centuries could throw at them, yet they remained focused on one thing: building cars that people love to drive and win in. This Rally2 package is a gift to the fans and the teams who have stood by the winged arrow for generations. As we move into an era of hybridization and electrification, this internal combustion beast stands as a final, glorious salute to the mechanical age. Thank you for joining me on this historic journey today.